wood chipper is a symbol of strength and performance in the woodworking industry. Have you ever been curious about how a machine can turn large logs into small pieces of wood with amazing precision? Please join us in the video below to discover that. This is a large factory in Australia. They have produced a large amount of biomass from wood, playing an important role in providing renewable energy sources and reducing waste. I believe that automatically catching the sprayed wood chips right into the container will bring significant convenience to the packaging and shipping process later. It is amazing to see that a whole tree wood shredder is capable of loading a large number of trees at once. And the crane works powerfully to carry out this task. At the same time, collecting small wood chips into pickup trucks further enhances the convenience and efficiency of the processing process. Using a Voss 19 and Moorbach M2OR, poultry forestry wood chipper, they process 6 to 2 tons of conifers in one day. To prevent subsidence of the local bus barrage, difficult work has become easy with the power of technology and a professional team. Can you believe it? The Vermeer WC25XL wood chipper can chop up to nearly 5 tons of wood per hour.
Let it catch up. Right.
With the ability to chop wood at high speed, this machine can process 14 M, 3 of wood per hour, bringing high work efficiency. With a capacity of more than 200 horsepower. It's great that the Brush Bandit 2 ADHD wood chipper can handle trees up to 40 centimeters in diameter. While Bandit 21 XP is like a black monster, devouring giant trees. Outstanding in the field of wood chipping, Moorbach 1215 can handle even stubborn oak trees with ease. The vibration of the Bandit 1890 XP when chopping an 18-inch tree shows its strength and endurance. The ability to work quickly and effectively with the Power King 14 horsepower wood chipper is undeniable. In Colombia, this is the ideal chipper for working in clearings, sawmills, farming, or forestry. The compactness and robustness of the Starboard 28-foot chipper make it a popular device for home and farm work. Thanks to this convenient wood chipper, he alone can take care of all the work in this small forest. Ability to process up to 25 tons of wood. Her art brings high efficiency and convenience in processing and recycling wood materials. This wood chipper has a feed compartment design that can vary in size, helping to optimize the wood processing process and improve working efficiency. Double Zero wood chipper is a specialized wood chipper used to chop wood into smaller pieces, suitable for biofuel use or in the wood industry. Designed to process both hardwood and softwood, this machine is capable of processing wood up to 40 cm in diameter. Diamond 2000 chipping machine is manufactured in Germany with great advantage of mobility and high performance, up to 580 meters of high quality wood chips in 1 hour. SMC 8 to compact wood chipper demonstrates class, leading with chipping performance, along with excellent portability. It can shred large tree trunks and bulky branches. With its integrated Epsilon power track frame, this machine offers great flexibility and efficiency when operating in large wood, crushing and processing operations. Even though this Hydra-Hatch wood chipper has been used for many years, it still operates strong and durable, meeting the strict requirements of the wood industry. M1/800K wood chipper is an effective solution for wood chip production with an impressive productivity, reaching up to 120 meters 3 per hour. With this incredible capacity, it has become the top choice in wood processing businesses, helping to optimize the production process and increase working efficiency. The Bigger 80 for wood chipper is an impressive device with a large loading chamber, allowing large quantities of wood to be loaded with ease. In particular, The machine's flexibility allows for continuous changes to suit any size of wood from small to large. This makes using the machine more convenient and efficient during wood processing. People just need to put the tree in their mouth. And when it comes to pulling the tree in and chopping up the product, this chopping machine will process it itself.